How to get a refrigerator for free using a cat in 5 steps. Meet your sly sidekick, the cat. Curious how it can help you get a fridge for free? Listen up. Step 1. Film your cat's endearing antics. Make it cute, funny, or just plain silly. Step 2. Create a social media account. Post your cat's videos daily. Make them irresistible, watch as followers pour in. Step 3. Reach out to refrigerator brands. Offer a unique advertising opportunity, your cat's fame. Step 4. Negotiate a deal. Free fridge in exchange for a promotional video of your cat. Final step, enjoy your free fridge. Remember, a cat's charm can open doors and fridges.